Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Paceacre. You might think, you haven't seen this shot yet. Well, no you haven't. This is down the road at my neighbor's house, and I'm trying to help get this sweet little Ford tractor up and going, but I've been struggling with it. We have a wiring problem, but I do have it narrowed down now. Hot wire. First of all, let's just check it. From the key switch. All right, so here we go. We're in neutral. Nothing. Now, we got 12 volts coming back from the alternator. This is a hot wire I have rigged up straight from the battery. Let's see if you guys can see this. All right, so instantly, there's our dash lights. So, with that, we take this little jump wire. See if I can do this. Hey, there we go. Now that is extremely exciting. The problem is figuring out what failed, when, and where. So, stay tuned.